Hello guys, and today we are gonna be playing Dragon Ball Z Devolution. Now, this is episode 3. Hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get into it. So, the last time we played this, we faced Nappa, we destroyed him, we faced Saberman, we destroyed him. Now, let's continue on our adventure, my dudes. Okay, Vegeta killed Nappa for being weak against Goku. Now Goku must battle Vegeta, but the two opponents seem to have the same power and abilities. Wow. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ooh, shoot. Ooh. Vegeta in his Saiyan form. Gosh dang. Come on, get out. I wanna face you. Oh yeah, Vegeta. Now guys, comment down below who's your favorite Dragon Ball Z character, because Goku's about to evolve again. Hopefully he can evolve again.
Said he can.
Ready, guys? Oh, man. Oh, yeah, Goku fell right into our trap, my dudes. Let's do this. Come on. Battle me. Come on.
So you know you can dash and hit him.
I know. No, I'm not. Well, guys, we took a loss. Let's try this again, okay? Gosh, I did not plan this. You won't get mad, Vegeta? Let's go. Alright, let's go. You ready? Ooh, guys, go. Go. That was the longest one ever, my dudes. Alright, now, as we avoid him, hey, Vegeta, wanna face me? Ooh. So, guys, as you see there, we are Kaioken 4 now, guys. No. Attack. Dang it, guys, we were not in the game. So let's get into it. Attack. We cannot lose to Vegeta again. What?
Sad, he's in a cool form.
So guys, we lost. Let's try this again. Okay. We are gonna evolve before Vegeta even has a chance to. And Vegeta angry. We're in Kaioken 2 right now. Kaioken 4!
So that's a regular blast.
Alright guys, so as you see here, we're typically winning. Attack. Guys, so in this video, I want to give a big shout out to #JaxsonVlogs204. I'll leave his link in the description, and also to Cortex444 if you guys have not checked him out already. And go see the last 2 videos of Dragon Ball Z Devolution if you have not already. And gosh, Vegeta. Alright guys, so if we overpower him, we won! Yes! We won, guys. And we unlocked mountains. Wow, guys, I'm tired. Okay, so Saiyans, the worn out warriors. Beaten by Goku. What? We beat? This makes no sense. Beaten. Vegeta gets beat. Oh, okay. Beaten by Goku, Vegeta transformed into a giant Saiyan 8. Gohan and Krillin arrived to see Goku being battered by it. Out of nowhere, Yajiro swooped down and cut Vegeta's tail off, causing him to revert back to normal. Now we can say Goku and friends must defeat Vegeta once and for all. Let's go, guys. So, jeez. Ooh, Kid Gohan, bro. I caught that just in time, guys, and this is hard with Kid Gohan, you know?
I got
Like,
Team Gohan.
what?
I got Team Gohan.
So, as you guys see, that
Charge it up so you can turn into natural.
alright, guys, so currently not doing spicy either. So guys, cheer on Krillin, no! So guys, what the? Okay guys, so the computer glitched. Wow, Vegeta knows his stuff. We need to beat Vegeta. Gohan is our only hope. Come on, Gohan. He has a weaker chance. Vegeta has a weaker chance. Yeah! Vegeta. We unlocked Vegeta, Yajiro, and the Namek story. That was a tough fight. Let's move on to Planet Namek. Namek, Vegeta's true power. Vegeta managed to escape in his ship. When he learned that Frieza, his boss, was searching for the Dragon Balls on planet Namek, he decided to double-cross him. Just arriving on Namek, he saw Q, his former rival. Vegeta states that when the Saiyan is beaten, his power grows, and that he's ready to prove himself.
Guys, this is easy.
So let's beat Q. Okay, guys, so that was a waste. Guys, we cannot die anymore. Guys! Whoa! Q beats us. Guys, this is a bumpy road for us. 3 losses already. Like, what? That, oh my gosh. Q. We're gonna beat Q. Come on, let's beat Q. Qui or Q? He tried so hard, guys. You saw the struggle on his face.
He's a tryhard.
So we beat Qui, guys, and
He's easy to beat.
we unlock Qui and Namek. New planet means new battlefield. Now, guys, we are gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a great day. Hit that notification bell to get the latest content from our videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button. See you guys later. Peace.